Hello and welcome to a Beaufort County Report. We are here with Miss Janae Glover-Smalls from the Lowcountry Scholarship Group. She is the chair. Yeah. So thank you, Miss Glover-Smalls, for joining us here today, and we're excited to have you.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. So first things first, what is the mission of the Lowcountry Scholarship Group and what kind of inspired its creation?
Yeah, so this group was created by the Beaufort Pan-Hellenic Council, and they're members of the Divine Nine organizations. Each of the organizations have scholarship committee chairmen, and they found that there was a need for awareness in the community, and that's how the Lowcountry Scholarship Group started. Okay, the spearhead for that is Wendell Roberson. And it was back in 2016. So the mission, I want to make sure I have it right, is to come together to develop a scholarship program that reaches out to the community, making eligible students aware of the opportunities that are out there in Beaufort County.
That sounds amazing. Can you give us a bit of an overview about the workshop that's coming up? Where is it? What is it? And where is it being held? And how can someone register?
Okay, so the Lowcountry Scholarship Workshop is at Uscb Bluffton. It's from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. It is free to register, and the QR code is on our flyer on our Facebook page. Also, lunch is provided to students.
Great. So whenever students arrive to this workshop, kind of what can they expect?
Yes, so they're going to have workshops that vary from interview tips to financial aid. They're going to have door prizes as well available, swag bags, and also the military recruiters are going to be there for those students who need to go to that route instead of doing a college or four-year education route. So it's going to be exciting. I am excited for the students because it's a time in their life where they're going to be making decisions, and we'll be a part of that decision making.
If a student needs to be involved in the workshops, what do they need to do?
Yes, so in order to get involved, we want them to bring their devices with them so that they can have access to our scholarships and our resources to find those. We'll have thumb drives available to each of the students, and it'll have resources and also applications for them to actually click on links and then apply to scholarships. They have deadlines, and they're local and national scholarships available. So,
is this something that's only for like seniors and juniors, or can younger?
So we would like all high school, 9 through 12 grades, 9 through 12 to be available, just so that the 9th and 10th graders can see what's out there and they can start planning early.
Yeah, that makes sense. So how can the local community get involved with the scholarship workshop, and is there any additional information that you think that they need to know?
Yes, so I would love for our community members to come out and volunteer. We're looking for volunteers at this workshop. Also, if you can't make it, we are offering donations, or we're asking for donations. You can do that by reaching one of our committee members. Her name is Lakeisha Brantley. I have her information here. If you can email her at Dr., and that's spelled out, not the abbreviation, Lakeisha, L-A-K-E-S-H-I-A @hotmail.com. She'll be able to get you information on how you can donate. And checks payable to the Beaufort Pan-Hellenic Council.
Alrighty, Ms. Glover-Smalls. Is there anything else you'd like to mention?
Yes, I would like for you all to look us up on social media on our Facebook Lowcountry Scholarship Group. Also, if you can look at the Beaufort Pan-Hellenic Council Facebook page as well, they're all connected so that you can get more information about the Lowcountry Scholarship Workshop.
Alrighty, well, thank you. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for all the work you have done in the scholarship group. And we thank you for tuning in here with us at a Beaufort County Report, and we will see you on the next one.